Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix the limited access issue on Discord. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Google. Type in Discord support and hit search. From the results, click on the official Discord support page. Once you're there, use the search bar to look up limited access. When the results appear, select the FAQ related to limited access. Scroll through the page until you find the link that says Here and click on it. This will take you to the request form. Fill in your email address, set the subject to something like limited access, and briefly explain your issue. For example, I only have limited access to my account. After that, click the Submit button, and your request will be sent to Discord support team. That's it. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates.